Create Shurley method, page 45, part 1, and we'll be doing exercise 1 today, classifying each sentence. These are not mixed classifications, so these are still patterns 4. So Judy and I are the most accurate spellers in the class. Who are the most accurate spellers in the class? So Judy and I. So they are compound, subject, noun. And is okay, what is being said about Judy and I? Are, verb, are what? Spellers, right? Okay, are spellers the same thing as Judy and I? Yes, so it's predicate noun. And then are is linking verb. When you use a predicate noun, you have a linking verb, okay? What kind of spellers? Accurate. Adjective. How many? Most. So what? In what? This class? No. Pronoun, adjective. Okay, pattern. Noun, linking verb, predicate, noun, pattern for check. In our class? Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No. We do have an adverb, but there's no adverb exception, right? This one's in natural or inverted order. Natural. Okay. You guys will do number 2 for homework. Let's do number 3. Wow, this tarantula is a large, fierce spider. What is a large, fierce spider? What is being said about tarantula? Is what? Spider. Spider. Is spider referring to the tarantula? Yes. So predicate noun. It becomes the linking verb. What kind of spider? What kind of spider? Okay. What tarantula? That one's an adverb. Wow. I read this wrong. This is an adverb. Which tarantula? Sorry. This. So which is an adjective. Okay. And then wow is a what? Anybody remember what that is? Interjection. So an I. Pattern. No prepositional phrase, right? Period. Go back to the verb, divide the complete subject from the complete predicate. Is there an adverb exception? No, this is in natural or inverted order. Natural. So we're done with that sentence, right? Okay. So number 2 would be homework. Okay. All right.